Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. In today's video, I'm telling you 10 things that you need as an Uber or Lyft driver right now, okay? If you're driving, you wanna make sure you have these 10 things so you can make way more money, okay? If you're a normal driver not using these 10 things, you're way down here. You wanna make sure with 10 things, you're way up here. So, thumbs up the video, we're gonna get right into it. But after we thank our sponsor, Solo. Solo is an awesome app that helps provide drivers with guaranteed pay. This is one of the most incredible apps for drivers right now. No other company does this. You literally go out and drive and they make sure you earn a certain amount of dollar in that hour. And if you don't, they're gonna pay you, literally send the money to your bank account. How crazy is that? When you use our link below to sign up, they have a free version nationwide. They're gonna give you $15 just for linking your gig account. So let's get into the 10 things for Uber and for Lyft. Number one, you need a car. You do need a car. Not only just a normal car, you need a reliable car. A car that's not so expensive. Don't go to the dealership and don't spend $30,000, $20,000 on a car. You can buy a car for rideshare for $10,000, $8,000, $5,000, okay? As long as it qualifies, you know, buy a car that's mainstream. Ford, I'm talking Ford, Honda, Hyundai, Toyota. These cars are really cheap to maintain. You can drive 200,000, 250,000 miles on these cars now. You know, these cars last a really long time, and every mechanic knows how to fix this. This is a Toyota Camry. The next thing that you need is a phone mount. When you're driving for Uber or for Lyft, you want to make sure that you're not looking down at your phone to click accept or click deny. Your passengers will report you and they will deactivate you. So make sure you have a phone mount. Number 3, cleaning supplies or napkins. It's really important that you keep your car somewhat clean on the inside. The outside doesn't matter too much, but on the inside, you want to make sure, you're doing a little vacuum, wipe down, nothing crazy, but, just keep it generally clean. Your passengers will thank you for it, and eventually they're going to spill something in your car or have the sniffles, and you just want to be like, yeah, here's a few napkins. Go to Starbucks and get them for free. I ain't spending money. Number 4, you want to make sure you have playlists for your music. When you're driving for 8 hours a day, you want to make sure you have a good variety of music. You're not listening to the same songs every single day. So spend an hour, make some playlists, make some chill music playlists for driving during the day, make some hype party playlists for driving at night with your passengers, and then make a playlist for yourself that you enjoy. If it's screamo or heavy metal or crazy country, I don't know what you're into. Listen to that in between rides so that way you can actually enjoy driving. It does help. Okay, number 5, every driver needs this. It's called Play Octopus. I don't have it with me. I left it at my house, but this is a rental car. But you're gonna install it right in here, and your passengers are gonna play games when they get in the back. We'll have a link below for Play Octopus, but when you sign up, with our link, they're gonna send you a free tablet. You start making up to $25 a week, $100 a month, just for having a tablet in your car. It's totally free. Why not sign up? What do you think about that, Izzy?
Yeah, that's awesome. Free money.
Exactly. So number 6 is every single driver right now, I don't care who you are, go right now and download Solo with our link below. Solo is an app. They're the business app for gig workers. They actually have an automated mileage tracking, so you never have to worry about tracking your miles again. They're going to basically take care of that. They have estimated tax projections, so they're going to tell you how much you might owe in tax at the end of the year. And they have a lot of other awesome features. The best, my favorite, is the guaranteed pays. When you go out and drive, they're gonna guarantee that you make $37 in that hour, $38 in that hour. I know so many drivers. I'm in this Facebook group, got like 18,000 members in there, and so many drivers say, oh, I just went out and drove for 3 hours, I only made $20. I'm like, you literally should have signed up for Solo. You would have made way more money. So sign up for Solo with our link. And okay, number 7 is you need to have a positive attitude and a smile. When you're driving, passengers can feel your energy, and the happier you are, the happier they are going to be, the more likely they will to be sending you a tip and leaving a good review. Number 8 is you want to make sure you're wearing comfy clothes. This is honestly fine, guys, to drive for Uber. You don't need to dress all fancy. You're going to be driving for 8 hours. Wear something comfy. I usually wear like sweatpants, like kind of nicer sweatpants. You know, you don't want to wear PJs, but like, and like holes everywhere. But like, what, you know, you can wear kind of like comfy clothes, I would say. Like you're traveling in an airport. I usually wear like sweatpants and, you know, a t-shirt or a sweater. And you also want to have snacks. This is a 2-part one. Bring snacks so you're not eating out and wasting money. And you will be hungry when you drive, so just bring a few extra snacks. Fruit, bring a cooler if you want. Number 9, every driver needs this, is a mileage tracker. So the IRS basically, they allow you to write off miles on when you're, you know, working for a business. And as an Uber driver or Lyft driver, you get, you know, one of the biggest perks is you get to write off a lot of miles because you're driving a lot. So if you're tracking all your miles, you want to make sure you do this and not just rely on Uber or Lyft, because they only track the miles when you're on rides. But what about when you're driving home at the end of the night, or you're driving, you know, to a busier area and your app's off? You want to make sure all those miles are being tracked. So Solo has a mileage tracker. You can honestly write them down if you want, or have an Excel sheet, just, you know, make sure you're tracking them. But yeah, Solo does it automatically, which is really cool. And the last one you want is a goal. Set a goal. Every driver should have a goal of how much money they want to make per day, per week. For me, every day, $274. That's my magic number, because that averages out to $100,000 per day. Set the goal really high, $300 a day. And if you don't hit the goal, if you only made 200, well, hey, you just made $200. So anyways, those are the 10 things that I think every driver should have. If I missed out on anything, let me know. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching today's video. Sign up for Solo with our link below. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. I'll talk to you soon.